Gladys Asobo, and a little bit about myself. First of all, I came into the United States looking for greener pasture. I had a master's degree from Cameroon, but when I came here, I discovered that for me to get something that will really, meet my status, because when I left Cameroon, I was working and I was making good money. So when I came here, I started exploring. I realized that what I did back home will not really, meet my needs as far as finances are concerned. So I went into IT and I started with database administration. So I did database administration for a while, got a job, and after that I had to, look for change. I wanted to, challenge myself. Then I found 10Alytics. I think I stumbled on 10Alytics on Facebook, and then I applied and started the journey. It was really, really a game changer for me, because while in my field as a database administrator, I had a lot of opportunity, or let me say, missed a lot of opportunities where I could have a better job and a better pay. But one of the limitations was I didn't know Linux, I didn't know Python, I didn't know Postgre. It is here in 10Alytics that I even knew what they call PG Postgre, that I even learned some of the Postgre stuff. So it was thanks to 10Alytics. And then I came to 10Alytics, I think 2 months after I got a job. And how did that happen? I realized that after I left my job, because my former job, I actually resigned from it. So after I left that job, it was very difficult for me to get another one. It was very difficult. Then I was asking myself what was going on. So I attended a session with Adeza. Adeza taught about the STAR method of answering your interview questions. So I went back, learned about it, and 2 weeks later, I had an interview, and something that has never happened. I aced that interview. Immediately after that interview, like 5-10 minutes later, they called me and they offered me the job. It was all thanks to 10Alytics. And this is not a regular job, it's a SQL engineer job, which, is rare. It's rare to get it, especially as a database administrator who was actually concentrated on the database on the administration side. So I had this job, and it wasn't really easy because I wasn't really good with SQL. It was 100% SQL. I can remember there were some times that I called Sadiki. He was the one to help me out. So I want to first of all tell you people that 10Alytics is a very good place, because even in your job, you have the right, especially when you work remotely, you have the right. You can call any member of the team and they'll help you. You can call any member of the team. He was always there. He was always present for me to help me. I'll call him. How do I do this? What is the meaning of this statement? He was always available. So you are in the right place. Just to reassure you, if there's anybody who was doubting, you are in the right place, and they're always there to help you, remind you about your classes and everything.